na-slice ko na at nalagyan ko na din ng toppings. So, ito na ang aking chocolate cake. Ayan, oh. So, tikman na natin ang aking ginawa. Kung masarap ba. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going again to make another kind of recipe. So, these are all the ingredients. 2 eggs. This is organic eggs from our chicken. And half cup of sugar, half cup of cooking oil, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and I will use only half cup of evaporated milk, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So this is already sifted. So now we are going to put all these ingredients here. Sugar and oil. So I will not put all this oil. And this baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And this is I already used, so I will use only half. Or I will put all this one milk. Because I think this is only half cup or 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Now I have to put this sifted all-purpose flour or maida and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now we have to mix well. Sorry, I forget to put vanilla extract. So better I remember, so I will put drops of vanilla essence or vanilla syrup. And in another container, I put half cup water here, and I will dilute instant coffee. Now this one we have to mix here in, mix like that, and then turn off the flame, and then we can mix here in butter here. Sorry. Ayan, mix natin dito. And then, we have to mix again. We have to mix well. I already mix well. You see the butter. And I use this kind of tray. I put already oil here. And I use this kind of baking paper. This one I use. I have 2 kinds of baking paper. This size is not enough, so I use this one. So thank you so much for the Anonymous family for this sponsor. So now I will put now this here in tray. Ibuhos natin ito lahat. Ayan. Leave this one for 30 minutes. Then I will bake in my unique oven using this big casserole with sand. Sa winter, malimit talaga ako nag-bake sa aking unique oven kasi libre ng gasol. At saka sa pugon ako nag-bake, hindi sa sa stove kasi mahal ang gasol dito, at saka wala din akong oven. So napakaganda ng aking unique oven na kasirola na may buhangin. So yung mga walang oven diyan, lalo na sa Pilipinas, no worries. Mag-ano lang kayo, mag-produce kayo ng malaking kasirola o kaya kaldero, tapos lagyan nyo ng buhangin o kaya asin. So meron na kayong oven. Tapos ang gagamitin nyo ay kahoy, bahala na kayo kung ano yung gagamitin ninyo. So ito ilip ko muna kasi may gagawin pa ako, busy pa ako. Pag free na ako, saka ko na lang ito i-bake. Ito na yung aking unique oven. Ito na preheat ko na ang buhangin, mainit na itong buhangin, kaya ilagay ko na itong aking chocolate cake. Yan. Ilagay natin dito sa loob. So ito na ilagay ko na dito sa loob na may buhangin. And then takpan. Yung apoy niya, katamtaman lang, hindi masyado malakas yung apoy. So wait natin ito hanggang 15 minutes. Buksan natin kung ano ang luto na. Ito i-check natin after more than 15 minutes. Ang aking unique oven. So ito, umalsa na ng husto at sigurado ito luto na. I-try natin ito sa toothpick. Ayan. Oh. So ito ay pwede na. Tanggalin ko na itong kasirola dito sa pugon, baka masunog. So ilagay ko doon, ipatong ko doon sa may stove. Ayan. Luto na naman ang aking isang recipe ngayon na chocolate cake na very simple lang yung mga ingredients ko. Another container, I want to make icing. So these are all the ingredients of my chocolate icing. This is cocoa powder 1½ tablespoon and all-purpose flour 1½ tablespoon and tablespoon of sugar. And then I have this chocolate dairy cream, dairy milk chocolate. So I did not use this one, I only use this one. Now we have to mix all this one here. And this one. And sugar. And then we have to mix. There is now this spoon. Here. Now we have to mix and we have to cook this one. This is the way I make chocolate icing. Optional, if you can make icing, it's better, but I have available cocoa powder, so I make icing for my chocolate cake. My icing is already cooked. Now we have to turn on now the flame. And this cake, I have to transfer here at saka palamigin natin ito. And then we have to put icing here. This icing is already cold. Now we can put now toppings here. Ayan. Lagay natin ito lahat. Now we can put also sesame seeds, optional if you have. If you don't have, it's no problem. Then this is desiccated coconut and this is peanut. Now we can put like this. And then sesame seeds. And this desiccated coconut. Now, so slice na natin ang aking homemade na chocolate cake. Slice na natin. Inunahan na nila akong kumain kasi si Fahad nagpagawa ng tea at saka sila Kay. So binigyan ko sila ng ng chocolate cake. So ito na lang yung natira. Kaya ako naman ang ang titikim ngayon. Ayan. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sarap. Tama lang yung sugar niya. Sila kay si Fahad, si Fatma at saka si Langga. Kumain na sila kaya ito yung sa akin. Meron pa marami pa itong natira kaya bukas ito na ano na pang almusal o kaya pang merienda.